Make sure your printer is turned on and connected to a power source. Press the home button if necessary. Navigate to Wi-Fi setup using the arrow buttons and press OK. Select FiDirect and press OK. You might need to press OK twice. Choose your mobile device's operating system, Android or iOS, and press OK. The printer will display its FiDirect name, SSID, and password. If you haven't already installed the Epson iPrint app, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Follow the on-screen instructions in the Epson iPrint app to set up your printer. On your mobile phone, go to the Wi-Fi settings and look for the available Wi-Fi networks. You should see a network starting with Direct, followed by the printer's model number, e.g., Direct Epson L5190. Connect to the Wi-Fi network with the name that matches your printer model. And start printing. You may need to add the printer and select the document or photo you want to print.